Have you ever wondered how your mobile app talks to a server? When you open Swiggy or Amazon, how does data instantly appear? That magic happens through something called an API, and today you'll learn what REST API really is, how it works, and how to use it like a pro. What is an API? API stands for Application Programming Interface. It's like a waiter in a restaurant, connecting customers' front-end and kitchen backend. Example: when you order food using a mobile app, the user don't go to the kitchen. Instead, you tap the app, gives the API, sends your request to the server, gives server, sends response, gives app, displays your order. That's how systems communicate. Types of APIs: 1. Open APIs. Anyone can use, like Weather Data or Google Maps API. 2. Internal APIs used within a company. 3. Partner APIs shared between business partners. 4. Composite API is combine multiple APIs in one request. REST APIs are the most popular. Let's explore why. What is REST API? REST stands for Representational State Transfer. It's not a technology, but a set of design rules for building web services. REST APIs use HTTP methods like get gives fetch data, post gives create data, put gives update data, delete gives remove data. Example: a food delivery app, GT, orders, fetch all orders, post orders, place a new order, put orders 123, update an order, delete orders 123, cancel order. How REST API works. Frontend sends an HTTP request, gives backend processes, gives sends response. Example: 1. You open your orders in the app. 2. Frontend sends get https://api.swiggy.com/orders. 3. Backend responds JSON data with your order list. Data format is usually JSON, lightweight, easy to parse. What is JSON? JSON equals JavaScript object notation. Simple text format, easy for humans to read and machines to understand. Headers, status codes, and authentication. Headers carry extra information like content type, application JSON, authorization, bearer token. Status codes: 200 OK, success. 201 created, resource created. For 100 bad request, invalid data. For 101 unauthorized, missing, invalid token. For 104 not found, wrong endpoint. Authentication usually done via JWT, JSON Web Token, or API keys. Real-life example: front-end plus back-end integration. Let's say you build a React app, gives you call an API using. The backend might be Node.js or Python. Flask returns JSON data. This is how your app dynamically loads data. What is CORS? Cross-origin resource sharing. When front-end running on port 3000 calls backend port 5000, browser blocks it due to security policy. To fix that, backend must add CORS ensures only trusted websites can access your API. REST versus GraphQL versus SOAP. REST simple, uses URLs, easy for beginners. GraphQL, fetch exactly what you need. Used by Facebook, GitHub, SOAP older. XML-based, used in banking systems. For modern web apps, gives REST or GraphQL is preferred.